I missed you, Marge.
Huh. The left tail light's a little smaller than the right one. I better pull him over.
I think they want us to stop.
That chance. This car's stolen.
Stolen?
Looks like we got ourselves an old-fashioned car chase.
Sunshine, lollipops, and
Rainbows, everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Brighter than a lucky penny when you're near. That rain cloud disappeared here and I was...
Ruth, is there something you want to tell me?
Remember when I said my ex-husband was behind on his child support? He even thinks I'm right when I stole his car.
Well, didn't you realize all you had to do was report it to the police?
Marge, you're the level-headed friend I never had.
We're in pursuit of two female suspects. One is wearing a green dress, pearls, and has a lot of blue hair.
A lot of blue hair. What a freak. Ah! It's Marge! She's become a crazy criminal just because I didn't take her to the ballet.
That's exactly how Dillinger got started.
Really?
I don't want to be a wet blanket, but maybe you should give yourself up.
Marge, it's a matter of principle. I just can't let that deadbeat win again. You're with me, aren't you?
You should say something reassuring and non-committal.
Look, Marge, there's no reason for you to get dragged into this. Once we lose the cops, I'll let you out.
Well, I don't think they're going to be that easy to lose. I mean, these are professional lawmen.
Oh my God, it just disappeared! It's a ghost car! There are ghost cars all over these highways, you know.
Hold me.
Only if you hold me.